Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the UGREEN USB sound card. You say that fast 3 times. And 3 reasons you should buy this. Reason number 1, with a built-in DAC or digital audio converter chip, this is going to help enhance the sound coming from the computer because the manufacturers can always use a little bit more improvement. Reason number 2, it's compatible with quite a few systems in the market already in terms of the drivers for this are already built in to most systems. In fact, I've yet to find a system this won't work on, but invariably the next one out of the box may be it, but that's highly unusual. Reason number 3, the cable between the USB Type A connector and the DAC helps minimize any possible strain on the USB port, because keep in mind you're going to have a mic or a headphone or both in it, and if it's on a single chip, depending on your computer, that may be a little more strain on the USB port than it would like. So this is just one way of avoiding a potential problem. So take a look at this one, and I think you'll want to get one today.